Hey, it's your girl Chab, and today I'm coming at you with a makeup tutorial. Yeah! We got this bold look right here. We're gonna call this Sunset on the Ocean because we got this nice warm colors right here, but then you got a little ocean, little pop of blue right there. So Sunset on the Ocean, whatever. And then we got some glitter because, you know, why the heck not? Why not? I actually did this look on my best friend right here. This is the video. You know, we just hanging out, having a good time. We were about to go get some sushi and stuff, and we were just looking hella extra. Honestly, we were just looking extra. Y'all been requesting this look, and unfortunately I can't get my best friend over here and stuff because, you know, we have different schedules sometimes. So I recreated it on myself. I gotta say, I look better. I'm just kidding, girl. I'm just kidding. You know you beautiful. So I did this look right here. Super easy peasy. Just a lot of color, a lot of fun. This look is for somebody who just wants to pop their booty and, you know, just have a good time and stuff, and, you know, just want to be a little extra because we was born extra. I honestly wore this shirt on accident. So if you want to get this Sunset on the Ocean look, if you want to feel the fantasy of being born extra, then let's get started. I look gross. Let's put some makeup on. All right, so first what I'm going to do is I want to set my brows. I just want to get them out of the way because they stick here and there and everywhere. So I'm going to be taking the Benefit 24-hour brow setter. This is just a clear brow gel. So I'm gonna put this through my brows, and then I'm also gonna go in with the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion, and I have the shade Eden right here. So once I put on the brow gel and stuff, I'm going to just cut underneath the brow and get it ready for some friggin' eyeshadow. So let's go. All right, so now that I have the eyes primed, I look a little crazy right now. I'm gonna be going into my Carity palette here. I'm gonna take the color Tweety, which is like a yellow right here, and I'm gonna sweep that above my crease, followed by the color Vegas, which is an orange. We're pretty much doing a gradient, so we're gonna go in with the yellow. Then we're gonna go in with the orange, and then we're gonna actually go in with the pink, which is called Lumbia. Yeah, so we're just doing kind of a gradient. So I'm gonna layer one on top of the other, on top of the other. We're just prepping everything for a cut crease, so let's go. All right, guys, the eye is not gonna look good until the very end. That's how it is with all these bright looks and stuff. So anyway, I'm going back into my little colorful palette where I heard, did I say words? I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna be taking that pink shade again, and I'm going to be focusing it on the outer corner and then layering it and kind of mixing it with this color called Alexi, and then deepening up a little bit more with the color Ego right here. I don't want too much of this color because it's hella pigmented and hella dark. I don't want to go too dark with it. I'm gonna be using the same brush and stuff because I don't got time to be washing brushes like that, okay? I got a full-time job beside YouTube. It's too much, okay? But I am going in with my color switch, so I'm gonna rub it in like so. Go in, and don't mind my bruise right there, but let's get into the color. All right, guys, so I've got my eyes to the depth that I want. I'm going to now cut the crease, but I'm not going in all the way. I'm gonna stop like probably right here where the purple starts to come in. And yeah, so I'm gonna be taking my ColourPop No Filter concealer in the shade Fair 00. It's literally like a white, and this is probably like my favorite base as far as cutting out creases, as well as using this brush right here. This is not a Morphe brush, so do not use code YOMAMA to save 10% off. You won't save anything because it's not a Morphe brush, and that's not a code. I'm gonna take this brush right here that is perfectly shaped and just cut the crease. So put it on the back of my hand. Those are not words either, but yeah, I'm gonna put a little bit on the back of my head and cut the crease. Let's go. All right, guys, got the cut crease situation going on here. If it's not even, what the frig ever, once you throw on a pair of lashes, you're gonna forget about it, okay? So we got these bases going on right here. I don't wanna leave them blank like this. I am actually gonna go in with the James Charles palette right here. I'm gonna take the color Face. Y'all know what it is. It is a highlighting color here. And what I'm gonna do is just stamp it on the cut crease part right here that we just made. So everywhere where there's white, I'm gonna put that color there. And then also what I'm gonna do is fade a little bit of some purple to kind of go in and create a gradient, and a little bit of pink and a little bit of orange. We go and do it all. So let's go. Okay guys, so now we got the eye kind of coming together. It's gonna come together even more, okay? So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna take this Maybelline Lasting Drama waterproof gel pencil, and we have it in the shade Silken Turquoise. I'm gonna line my top lash line here all the way through. I'm not gonna do a wing, just a little line, that's all. And then I'm also going to tight line underneath as well. And then I'm gonna go in with the Heavy Metal glitter liner from Urban Decay in the shade Midnight Cowboy, and we're going to line the cut crease that we did. I'm gonna put on mascara, lashes. Let's just freaking do this. All right guys, lashes are on, liner is on, other liner is on. Girl, what a trip. Anyway, we're gonna go on to the face now. So I'm gonna prime my face, put on some foundation, set it and everything, do a little bronzer, do a little blush, do a little highlight. Not a little highlight, we're gonna do a lot of highlight. And then we're gonna get onto the lower lash line. I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do about that. Yeah, all right, let's go. All right guys, so now the face, look at that, heavens hue. Why y'all sleeping on this? That's what I want to know. Why y'all sleeping on it? So we're gonna finish off the eyes and stuff. Pretty much everything's done. We got that brows on. So I'm going back into my Parody palette here. We are going to take the yellow first and work that on the lower lashes as our base. I'm gonna use a big old brush. I'm gonna use like this big old brush right here that I've been using. I'm literally gonna run the yellow out through here, and then I'm gonna take a finer brush and then go in with the Vegas color, which is the orange, and then some of the pink here. And then right on the outer corner, we're gonna meet right here with the purples. Just watch and learn, baby. Here we go. All right, guys, so this is the final look right here. Yes! This is the look right here. We got Sunset by the Ocean, Cake by the Ocean. Actually, no. Because I heard that Cake by the Ocean is something sexual. Not on my channel. But yeah, this is the look right here. It's super easy to do. I know I kind of like sped through this and stuff, but if you have any questions, because I know that cut creases are sometimes like really tricky to do, I just have really great tools. At least they're tools that work perfectly for me. Just leave a comment down below because I will answer to every single one. Let's just have a conversation about this look right here. Shout out to my best friend because I did this look on her first. If you want to jump out of your comfort zone, this is the look to start with because it's hella bold, it's hella beautiful, and guys, it's like hella easy for real though. Like I literally have no talent. I just put on my eyes. I'm just kidding. But anyway, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and follow me on all these social medias down below right here. And ding ding, hit the notification bell because your girl make new video every Friday. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions or what you would like to see next. As always, thank you for watching. Bye. What if I had my hair like this? Born extra. I honestly wore this short a little. So yeah, we're gonna take, we have it in the shade a silken turquoise. Of like, you know, if you want to jump out of your cup. All right, 5, 4, 3, ow, that hurts.